Agriculture is the primary source of livelihood for about 58% of India's population, with an 18% contribution to India's GDP. India has the largest arable land resource in the world, with 20 agri-climatic regions and 46 soil types. India is the largest producer of spices, pulses, milk, tea, cashew and jute, and the second largest producer of wheat, rice, fruits and vegetables, sugarcane, cotton and oilseeds. Over the years, due to the rising population, the demand for food grains has grown rapidly, along with the shift to small farm holdings, leading to slower growth of the farm sector. Over 80% of the peasants are small and marginal farmers, which causes an impediment to adoption of sustainable agricultural practices, transition to automation and digitization, and efficient resource management. Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has set the goal for doubling farmers' income by 2022. The Government of India has introduced several projects to assist the agricultural sector. To pace towards modernization and efficiency of the farm sector, India needs to address 5 key areas. Smart crop production through crop rotation, forming farm clusters for mechanized farming, processing of farm materials locally to commodities and byproducts, developing novel products from conventional produce, logistics for storage and transport to avoid wastage and strategic use of farm produce, and marketing. To achieve this goal through innovations, the Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur is reaching out to the talented youth of India through the Agri-Food Techathon AFT 2021 in association with NABARD. The national level online technical fest will be inaugurated by the Honorable Shiksha Mantri Shri Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank on January 25, 2021 to boost training, outreach and entrepreneurship in the field of agriculture and food technology, paving the way for Atmanirbhar Bharat. Dr. Pokhriyal will also lay the foundation of the Agribusiness Incubation Center funded by NABARD, which will carry out the mandate to incubate innovative ideas in the agriculture and food technology domain for creating agripreneurs. IIT Kharagpur will be incubating 125 agripreneurs in the coming 5 years for action-oriented research and product development for entrepreneurship in farm mechanization, soil testing and technology, food processing and packaging, agricultural biotechnology, irrigation and water management. The Institute of Eminence has pledged to provide support to the sustainable development of rural communities through indigenous product development, capacity building of the village sector, and employment generation of rural youth, thus giving a significant thrust to the agricultural prospects of India for Atmanirbhar Bharat.